I was making Japanese and she's watching DVDs in Oakland, in Oakland. Now I'm driving up the 5 and she waits till I arrive in Oakland, in Oakland. Everything that I wanted, only gotta drive for the moment. If you tell me turn around for the morning, for the moment, but you know me, you know how I get when I'm lonely. Think about you in the moments, but everything you do is so Oakland, so Oakland. Foot on the gas, I'm just trying to pass all the red lights and the stop signs. I'm ready to go. Before I get to the bay, babe, that's the problem. Cause I'm way too scared to call and you might get me to stay. No. I don't really wanna drive, but I think I'd rather die in Oakland, in Oakland. With my hands on 2 and 10, so I guess it all depends on Oakland, on Oakland. And I'm nervous, truth be told, I never saw me growing old in Oakland, in Oakland. And if I married you tonight, it would probably start a riot in Oakland, in Oakland. Everything that I needed, I finally got you in your feelings. Everything you won't say, you tweet it. And the brother don't like that shit. Oh, so retreating. Can we just roll with the feeling? Can we just roll for a minute? Wait a minute, foot on the gas. I'm just trying to pass all the red lights and the stop signs. I'm ready to go. And I'm really not ready, girl, that's the problem. Cause I'm way too scared to call and you might get me to say no. All the girlfriends saying here we go again. Rich kid but he act like a gentleman. Last one didn't end like it should have been. 2 dates and he still wanna get it in. And you're saying it's because of the internet. Try once and it's on to the next chick. XO the old face on your exes, right? We can do the same thing if you wanna have better when your thoughts can't breathe and you're thinking asthmatic and you wanna be a mom. Wasn't mad at it cause I'm thinking about me. I'll be really bad at it cause I'm thinking about me. Weeks in the by, 4th of July, house in Kauai. Yeah, we can try. So let's try. I took off my 9 to 5, but you still don't have the time to kiss me. Just hit me. And if I left you all alone, would you still pick up the phone? It's iffy. You miss me. I got furniture to move, and we'll both be 30 soon in Oakland, in Oakland. The only one I know is you, so the fuck I'm supposed to do in Oakland, in Oakland. In Oakland, in Oakland, in Oakland, in Oakland, in Oakland, yeah. Teeme ühe väikse tempomuudatusega. Üldiselt laulustiilid võivad erinevad olla, aga loodetavasti läheb tänase õhtu temaatikaga kokku ikka. See on nüüd Arctic Monkeys. Lady, where has your love gone? I was looking but can't find it anywhere. They always offer when there's loads of love around, but when you're short of some, it's nowhere to be found. Well, I know your game. You told him yesterday, no chance, you get nothing from me. But now she's there, you're there, everybody's there. He's in turmoil, as puzzled as can be, just like me. Let's go down, down, low down, where I know I should not go. Oh, and she thinks she's the one, but she's just 1 in 24. And just 'cause everybody's doing it, does that mean that I can too? Lady, where has your love gone? He was the antiseptic to the sore. To hold you by the hand must be first be in demand. How he longs for you to long for him once more. Just once more. Let's go down, down, low down, where I know I should not go. Oh, and she thinks she's the one, but she's just 1 in 24. And just 'cause everybody's doing it, does that mean that I can too? Her eyes went down and cut you up, and there's nothing like a dirty look from one you want, or the one you've lost. Naked your soul is everybody's goal, to get what they can't have. That's why you're after her, and that's why she's after him. But saying it won't change a thing. And they'll realize that it won't change a thing. Realizing it won't